This pretty lady unfortunately got a stiff neck, so today let me share with you guys some quick techniques to relax her neck. Step 1. Use our thumbs to relax her entire neck, from top to bottom. Massage 10 times. Step 2. Knead the entire infraspinatus muscle. Knead the cervical vertebrae to relax. Okay, step 3. Look down. Press Feng Qi acupoint with thumbs. Right thumb presses the scapular side. Open up blockages here. There's usually a tight tender point here. Knead it open. Okay, step 4. Press neck acupoints with thumbs. Press down. Turn your neck towards me. Turn left. Stretch to the limit. Turn boldly. Okay, up. Do about 10 times. Press down. Turn left. Turn boldly. Okay, about 10 times total. Last step is very simple. Press up a little. This is the most crucial step. Okay, open up. Stiff necks are usually caused by wrong sleeping postures, leading to blocked qi and blood flow. That's why there's neck pain. Opening it up relieves the pain. Okay. Hold for about 30 seconds. Okay, up. Feel it. Wow, so magical. It's gone.